In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can comment GIFs on Instagram posts. Make sure to watch till the very end to find out how. For example purposes, I am on Instagram's account and I'm going to click a post that I want to comment a GIF on. Now, as you can see, I don't have the option to actually comment a GIF. If you do have the option, all you have to do is click it and post whatever GIF you would like. Since I don't have the option, I'm going to show you how to fix that. Go to your profile and click the three lines in the top right corner. Click on Settings, and then scroll down and click on Help. Click Report a Problem, and click Report Problem without shaking. Next, all you have to do is write what you are experiencing to Instagram. I'm going to write that I am missing the option to comment GIFs. Need this fixed. Then you're going to send the problem, and that is all. Wait 1 to 3 business days to see if the option comes up. This is the best way to try and get this option for your Instagram account. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if this video has been helpful. We'll see you guys in the next video.